Ego never accepts the truth. Good morning, my dear online students. This is Mr. Naresh Jangid. First of all, we discuss about homework questions. Question was, is a homopolymer or copolymer? Solution is homopolymer. Solution is homopolymer. Next question. Draw the structure of monomer for following polymers PVC, PP, and nylon double six. Solution is structure of monomer of PVC is vinyl chloride. Structure of monomer of PP mean polypropylene is in these two. When vinyl group is attached to Cl atom, then it is vinyl chloride, and when vinyl group is attached to methyl group, then it is known as propylene. And third polymer is nylon double six. In nylon double six, hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid are the monomer. So these structures are as follows. It is hexamethylene diamine and it is adipic acid. Next question, homework question is, who does the first vulcanization of rubber? Solution is Charles Goodyear. In 1839. Next question was, write the name and structural formula of monomer of natural rubber. Very important question. Solution is, monomer of natural rubber is isoprene and its structure is Next homework question was, give the name of substances used in vulcanization of rubber. Important question. Answer is sulfur. Next homework question was, write the name of monomer of neoprene. Very important. Solution is chloroprene. And its structure is, we have discussed about chloroprene, isoprene in our previous online class. I hope your answers are right. Now, trick for learn some monomers structure when vinylic group is attached to a group Z. When Z is equal to Cl, then it is known as vinylic chloride. Vinylic chloride. If G is equal to C6H5 phenyl group, then it is known as styrene. And if Z is equal to Cn, then it is known as acrylonitrile. Similarly, if G is equal to methyl group, then it is known as propylene. I hope you are understand. Trick for learn some monomers structure which are used to synthesize some polymers. In previous online class, we have discussed about synthetic rubber. Now we take a caution for exercise. In today class, we take a caution for exercise. Caution is what is Gatta Parsha. Very important caution. What is Gatta Parsha? Solution is totally trans polyisoprene is called Gatta Parsha, whereas we know that totally cis polyisoprene is called natural rubber. Now we are going to read about some commercial polymers. So first commercial polymer is polythene. It is the simplest form of polymer. Monomer of polythene is ethene or ethylene. Method of polymerization. Method of polymerization. Polythene is formed by addition polymerization of ethene monomers. Very important. Polythene is a homopolymer. Polythene is prepared in England in 1933. Very important. It is mainly of two types. First is low density polythene and another one is high density polythene. So first of all we read about low density polythene. Low density polythene is prepared by polymerization of ethene under high pressure at a temperature range 350 to 370 Kelvin. Temperature range here peroxide is used as catalyst. In these conditions, ethene monomers are converted into low density polythene. Here pressure is 1000 to 2000 atm. Now properties of low density polythene. First is these polymers comprises highly branched structure. Second properties of LDPE is chemically tough but flexible and poor conductor of electricity. Now next usage of LDPE. Usage of LDPE used in first use of LDPE used in insulation of electricity carrying wires. Very important. Second use of LDPE is in manufacture squeeze bottles. Squeeze bottles, toys and flexible pipes. Now next, second type of polythene is high density polythene. In presence of Ziegler-Natta catalyst, very important. Ziegler-Natta catalyst, which is mixture of triethyl aluminum and titanium tetrachloride. Very important for your competition also. I repeat, in presence of Ziegler-Natta catalyst, when addition polymerization of ethene takes place in hydrocarbon solvent at 333 to 343 Kelvin temperature and 6 to 7 atmospheric pressure, HDPE is formed. So, an unit of ethene monomers in these condition of temperature and pressure in presence of Ziegler-Natta catalyst converted into high density polythene. High density polythene is a linear polymer which has a high density due to close packing. Very important. We shall discuss about close packing in our chapter first in solid state. So I repeat, HDP is a linear polymer which has a high density due to close packing. That is why it is known as high density polythene. Now next, properties of high density polythene. First chemical property of high density polythene is these are chemically inert, more tough and harder. These are chemically inert, more tough and harder. Now next, second property, these are tensile in nature due to high density. Very important. So I repeat, these are tensile in nature due to high density. Now next, usage of high density polythene is first used for making buckets, dustbin, pipes, etc. Important. Now next, second and last use of HDPE in making bottles used for chemical storage. Now next, second type of commercial polymer is polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride or PVC. PVC is a homopolymer. Here poly prefix are used. So I repeat, PVC is a homopolymer, so its monomer is vinyl chloride. Monomer is vinyl chloride. In presence of peroxide, when addition polymerization of vinyl chloride takes place, then PVC is formed. So, an unit of vinyl chloride in peroxide after addition polymerization, vinyl chloride is converted into PVC, which is a homopolymer. Now next, properties of PVC. First is, it is insoluble in water and organic solvent. Up to 20 degrees Celsius, it is not affected by acids and bases. Very important. Second point is, PVC is shining, hard and solid polymer. Another one is, it is soluble in solvents made by mixing ketone and carbon disulfide. Very important. It is soluble in solvents made by mixing ketone and carbon disulfide. Very important. Next, usage of PVC. First is, mainly it is used in making pipes, doors, cables, rods, sheets, etc. Another and important use of PVC. Another use of PVC is in mixing in ester as a polyplasticizer. Sorry, in mixing in ester as a plasticizer, ester becomes soft and it is used as vinyl leather. In mixing in ester as a plasticizer, ester becomes soft and it is used as vinyl leather. This vinyl leather is used in raincoat, handbag, floor polish, clothes, etc. Very important. So, what is vinyl leather and write its usage? Can ask a question in your board examination. Very important. Now, third, on dissolving PVC in chlorobenzene, its chlorination takes place and it is called chlorinated PVC. Very important. Also, chlorinated PVC is used in adhesive, plating, and fibers. Now, next important point, PVC starts to degrade above 200 degrees Celsius temperature and HCl gas gets released. To prevent this, a suitable stabilizer is used. I hope you liked this video. Please do share and like. We shall meet again tomorrow 9:30 a.m. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.